So if it's like after Christmas and you have no idea what to do with your packaging, here is a really simple DIY to help you. So this is from one of those puddings, those Christmas puddings. This was the packaging on it, and then this was the ribbon from the panettone. Well, all these things is really easy. All you'll need is those three things: add tape and scissors. Do be careful because scissors can be sharp. So basically what you're going to do is put this in the middle. You want to stretch it out quite nicely so it'll be flat, and you're literally just going to stuff this in it, and when you put one part in it you're just going to take your tape and tape it. Clear tape would be ideal, but I ran out of tape, so I'm going to have to use this tape before I go to the shops and get some more clear tape. And you're just going to tape it inside. You don't want it to look all perfect because you would like to have that like home effect with it. So you don't need to make it look perfect unless you really want to. So once that's all taped in, you're going to want to get some more tape and cut and tape the whole thing with this type of tape, because then it will all be one colour and look more finished. So there we go, that's all done. You're just going to take your ribbon. You're going to want to measure it, and so going to want to cut up your bow. I'm just going to check if half would do it for me. So I want 3/4 of the ribbon. I might just keep the ribbon as full length and then trim it after. So you're just going to want to tie a bow around there. This part is a little fiddly. You don't have to do this part, but I think this would add the extra part to it to make it look much nicer. So I have tied my bow. I found it was rather easy to tape the back and then tie it on. So what you're going to want to do is that, well, you're going to take off the tape, but if you take off the tape it will all fall down because it's not tight enough. You're going to want to get a bit of tape, and you're going to do the trick of double-sided sticky tape, where you go like that and you roll it onto each other itself, and you're just going to go underneath the bow, stick it, and you're just going to place it over. That will hold it up. So you're going to want to do 3 more of them on 4 sides, even though there's only one side in a circle. So once that's all done, you're just going to put your ribbon through, line it up and stick it on. Once that's all done, you would have sorted out the bow, made improvements, and you're going to want to cut a straight line first. And do it on the other side as well. And to stop fraying, you're just going to cut a triangle there in the middle. I did need to get some sharp scissors, so here we go. We're just going to cut a triangle. So you cut in a triangle and this will stop fraying. Going to do the same on the other side now. So there we go, that's all finished, and that's your container all done.
Please like and subscribe. Also click the notification button so you can be notified when my latest videos come out. Thanks.